There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, diva.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and we back to slay on a budget wig today. Okay, what's up, y'all? Hope y'all all having like a really good day, good afternoon, good evening, whenever y'all are watching this. I hope y'all are staying safe, staying blessed, staying motivated, and staying out the way. And the number one, minding your business, because that's what really matters. So what's up, you all? What y'all been up to? Your girl is here, and I'm ready to do another budget-friendly wig, which is by one of my favorite companies, and that is known as UNICE. You know, UNICE. They nice, you nice, we nice, we gonna look nice. Girl, it's all good when it says UNICE, okay? So, with that being said, you know, you could check out UNICE on Amazon Prime when you get your stuff on time, girl. This wig video number 3 today. When I tell you I'm on a roll, I'm on a roll. Where I'm about to get all of these wig videos done today. I do not play. When you hear your girl A say what she gotta say, I'm on a roll today. The bars, baby, the bars, I know. So when you get your wig from UNICE, you'll get an HD wig cap, and you'll also get a melting band as well. It also does come with tape. This unit right here is 20 inches, and she is a curly unit. This is one of their 7x5 bye-bye knots. And if I forgot to mention, it's a pre-everything wig. So, you know, with pre-everything, you just put her on and go. I mean, there are some steps you may want to take, like adjust her, do her to your preferences. Maybe you want to use some water with conditioner in it and define your curls if it's a curly unit, all that good stuff. But for the most part, you really don't have to do anything. You ain't got to bleach her. You ain't got to pre-pluck her. Just depends on your preference, girl. This is a middle part unit, and that really ain't my thing, but we're going to see how she swing, okay? She's cute, though. She has texture. This is a textured curly wig, and I'm feeling that. I love a good texture. I like any type of curly or wavy unit. You know what I'm saying? If you're going to do a wig, do a big, and I love me a good wig, okay? Pre-bleach knots. She's got an adjustable strap in the nape. She also does have a comb in the nape, okay? And she also does have a drawstring. So baby, if you want to tighten her down, just suffocate your brain, then go ahead and do so. But this unit also does have the gridding inside right here, so that way it doesn't slip back. Don't be out there, caught out there, and your wig slipping back. You standing there talking, yip-yapping, and you looking cute, or at least you think you looking cute. You think your hair is slayed, and nobody's telling you that your wig is slipping back. Girl, we don't need that. So we have this right here to help, okay? Look at these curls, really pretty, tightly curled. This is probably like the Kinky curly. I love the texture though. We're just gonna jump right into this.
Yeah, ain't nowhere we could be if 2 or 3 don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah, you and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight, ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah, you and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. How you gonna say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gonna lay back, but you wanna come my life. Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gonna say that I'm the one at fault when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be if 2 or 3 don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah, you and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight, ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah, you and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. Steady switching plays, yeah. Steady switch. I've been in the dirt, yeah, dipping the hurt, digging through baggage, feeling like merch. All of this drama ain't even worth. Hey, girl, you know I love you. How you gonna say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gonna lay back, but you wanna come my life. Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back. Yeah. How you gonna say that I'm the one at fault when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be if 2 or 3 don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah, you and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight, ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah, you and me ain't involved. Cause ain't nowhere we could be if 2 or 3 don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah, don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. Agree. Involved, yeah. Side.
This one did take me a little bit of time just because I was trying to get the hairline proper. You know, I don't want too many baby hairs. Now this is 20 inches. Of course, it does look shorter than that because of the tight curls, but this is definitely textured hair. I think like this is the first time I've ever did a textured hair curly wig for UNICE hair. And it's actually really, really pretty. It's a nice texture. It's very full. I would definitely suggest not using any products that's too sticky or is going to leave like a filmy residue or sticky buildup on this particular hair. Something that's lightweight. You can even, what I do is I will dump this into another bottle, like half and half, because I keep them and then I'll add a little bit water. So that way I'll stretch it, but it also helps with not too much buildup in the actual hair, not too much buildup product in the hair. So that's my number one thing. And I also did use my conditioner water, which is just water with some curly hair conditioner in it. But for the most part, if you love like, you know, curly styles, natural hair, girl, get you a wig. Get you a wig from UNICE because they really do care. They nice, girl. They nice. This is wig video number 3 for me. I'm on a roll. I'm about to do 4 and 5 and then I'm gonna be done with it for the day. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you check them out. You get plenty of parting with the 7x5. If you're feeling like kind of like reluctant, you definitely can get parting. As you see, I took it out the middle and put it to the side because I'm just really not a middle part girly. But for the most part, she came out cute, very textured, very pretty. I do like this. This is definitely a wig that you can just style up in multiple different types of ways. I think this will look really cute, fully blown out with the headband on. Girl, listen, okay. Come through, UNICE. Link all of their information down below for this wig. You know, Amazon Prime, you get your wig on time, girl. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you just stayed to the end, please leave me a pink heart. Let me know that you stayed to the end. I love y'all. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay out the way, and I will see y'all in the next one.